final exam study guide and how to sync it up with our e-textbook in my stat lab. So here we have information about the problem type. So for question 1, it's going to be one of these that you're determining the arithmetic mean, median, and mode of a variable from raw data. So any of those things you could be asked to calculate or know about. So we go into, it's aligned with 3.1, and so we go into that area of the textbook, of the e-text. So what I do is, let me see, I'm going to bring up my stat lab, and then over on this left menu bar I go into course tools, and then from there, and some of these menus you won't have some of these buttons, but we go into the HTML ebook and then click to access, open the alternate version of your ebook. And then from here, we're going to go into the HTML version of the textbook. And then again, it had said section 3.1. So here we have part 1, that's on data collection. Part 2, we have, and I have expanded it. So we have section 3 here. So, 3.1 is right in here. So I can click into that. And even though it's part 2, so open up the different parts. So in part 1, it has section 1. In part 2, it has sections 2, 3, and 4. So that is good to know. And then here's section 3.1, and it has some information, some definitions, and then here's some solutions on how to calculate them. And then also something to be aware of is that the instructor tip about how to do that in StatCrunch, and you will have access to StatCrunch on your exam, so that can be really helpful too. So anyway, I hope this helps, and that's how, so you look at the section number and then go into your e-textbook, and you'll see information about that type of problem.